Okay, we're looking at sequences now. Now, what I find useful here is doing something like this. All right, so that's the first thing I would do. So we know the second term is 14, we know the fifth term is 29. And so therefore, I'm going to look at the difference between them is 15. It's got to be split into 3 bits. 3 equal bits because it's linear. All right, linear sequence. And so therefore, it's going to be 5n. Just turn it back to red. There we go, 5n. Now, if the second term is 14, and I'm looking at the 5 times table, aren't I? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, that means that it's 5n plus 4. It's the 5 times table plus 4. So there we go. Right, so that's the first thing. Second one, quadratic sequence, right? So I've got I've got 5, then actually I might do this just about to give me a little bit more room. So here we go. So we go, it's 5, 1, 5, 17. Now, with all sequences, you're going to look at the difference between. So it's minus 4, plus 4, and then plus 12. So we've got 8 and 8. Now, that tells you that it's a quadratic sequence. Now, in the Further Maths book, it tells you, well, this bit means that it's 4n squared. So 4n squared is going to give me, let me just change colour, 4n squared, 4n, so we've got 4, all right, 4 times 1 squared, 4 times 2 squared is going to give me 4 times 16. Just better put a little comma between. 4 times 3 squared is 36, and then 4 times 4 squared is 64. Now then, the difference between this, so it goes 1, then, hold on, minus 15, doesn't it? Yeah, absolutely. Then minus 31, then minus, hold on, what's, so minus 47. So this is how the book tells you to. I do a slightly different way, but that involves remembering formulae. So it's going down by 16 each time. So it's going to be minus 16n plus 17. Okay, and so therefore I can finish off the nth term by doing that, and that is the answer. So what you do is you find the second difference, which is this, the 8. That gives you 4n because it's half, basically the coefficient of n squared, okay, is half of whatever this is here. Right, I then write the 4n squared sequence, which looks like that. And then I find the difference between the 4n squared sequence and the sequence I actually have, which gives me this linear sequence, which I then tack on the end. Right, there is a different way using the formula a plus b plus c, 3a plus b, and 2a. Right, and you use 2a for this bit, but there you go. All right, so there you go. Enjoy.